Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Hack and Mod New Year's party. I'm going to show you step by step how to make each and every element of this party. So first we have these LED acrylic tubes, which are awfully nifty, and here's a disco ball illuminated by different colored LED lights. You can switch that from blue to orange. Here we have LED fiberies, as I like to call them. They're basically end glow fiber optics with LEDs at the base. Look downright amazing. Great for decorations, maybe throw in a flower pot, something like that. Looks great. And here's some more examples of those with different colors with larger amounts of fiber optics in those. Here we have the Hack and Mod LED sign, basically just a whole bunch of LEDs stuck in a perf board. Very simple to make, it does take a while to solder. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make these really cool acrylic LED lights. They're great for any party or general decorations. First thing you want to do is grab some acrylic tubes. I got mine off eBay. You can get the link to those auctions on my website at hackandmod.com. And you want to sand those, starting off with really rough grit sandpaper, working your way up to smaller grit. And then you want to grab a piece of wood or any other material and drill some holes in them. Wire the LEDs in series, whatever you prefer. I use two 9-volt batteries, and then I just stuck the sanded acrylic tubes in those holes. And there you go. That's basically it. It's very simple to do, and it looks great when you're done. Hello and welcome to the hackandmod.com LED sign tutorial. The first thing you have to do is put all your LEDs in a perf board like this one I got from Radio Shack for about $4. Put them in, make sure all your positive and negative leads are put in properly, and then fold back either the positive or the negative. Just make sure you keep them straight. And then once you do that, you want to go to ledcalc.com and input the amount of voltage you have, how many LEDs you have, how many volts they consume, and then that'll spit out the resistance you need and how you should wire all your LEDs. This tells you how to get the most voltage out of a single battery. And here it is, all soldered up. Looks like a complete mess, which it basically is. And anyways, after a couple hours of soldering, you got it all done, and all you gotta do is attach your batteries and then light it all up.
Here it is, all lit up. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, we've got some fiber optics end glow style. Okay, so we cut back the insulation with the X-Acto knife. Just cut that back, but left some at the bottom though. And so we've got our fiber optics exposed. Okay, so now we spread them apart with lots of room. Then all you gotta do is stick your LED right up here and then tape it around there. Alright, I'm feeling a little bit green today, so we got a green LED here, 3-volt battery. Stick that right in there, you go. And then we're gonna stick that right in there, the base of the fiber optics. You can see the ends are nice and lit up there. I'll go somewhere darker. The ends are nice and lit up there, we go. That looks pretty. Alright, and we just need to make a bunch of these, put them around the room for decorations, and you got yourself, oh god, oh wow, whoa. Anyway, I got ourselves a nice little decoration. Okay, so we taped up the LED right at the base of the fiber optics there. Just tape that right up in there, and they're our best of friends now. So there you go, just stick up a battery in there, and there you have it. Here are the results from the LED fiberies, as I like to call them, and there's all different sizes. These three right here are made from this strand of fiber optics you can buy online, and this large one over here is from this piece of fiber optics, which is actually from a toy that has a light on the base right there.
And when you're all done, then I have 3 different colors here, and light them all up. They look pretty gosh darn cool. And you just set these around the room for get-togethers, any parties or anything, and they look great. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to make the LEDs blinking to music, and it's actually a really simple circuit. I made it look really complicated here, but basically it's just LEDs shoved up inside frosted tubes. Here is the circuit for it. It's very simple. Basically you have a tip 31 transistor, which you can find at Radio Shack. You have a P2 plug, which is just any speaker plug, and you have your LEDs and your power source, and you can hook up as many LEDs as you want and use whatever voltage you want. So now all that's left is plugging in your speakers to one end, and the circuit